Hello guys, welcome to Jira training. In this tutorial, I'll explain you about stories in Jira. So what are stories or user stories in Jira? If you simply put, user story is software system requirement. And we call it user story because in agile development methodology, we put people first. So we reframe software requirements as user stories. User story is the smallest unit of work in an agile framework. The purpose of user story is to articulate how a piece of work will deliver a particular value back to the customer. And customer can be your external customer or it can be the internal customer. So it depends, like who has requested that particular functionality in your software. That will be the customer for that piece of work. Now, user stories are defined into simple language and that outlines the desired outcome. And user story fits into the 2 to 4 weeks of sprint cycle. So you deliver some working software um, as part of that sprint. So it's a piece of work that can be delivered within the defined sprint cycle. Now, how you can create the user story in Jira software? To create the user story, since it's just another issue type in Jira, you just need to click on Create button and select issue type as story. Provide summary, component, other description, and all other details in the template and click on Create and it will create a user story in Jira. The other ways to have a look at stories in Jira is if you can go to the boards. So for example, I go to the MOP board and here you will see epics, and below epics you can see the stories are linked to the epic. You can also click on create issue here in the backlog and select the issue type as story, define the story and click on create. Later you can edit it and update the details in the particular story. Please note, story is only available in Jira software because it's an agile development methodology which uses epic and story. So story is also only available in Jira software and not in Jira core or Jira service desk applications. So that is pretty much all about stories in Jira. In next tutorial we'll learn about bugs and tasks in Jira. Thank you.